Bitcoin is currently bouncing between 30k and 31k. Can it finally break onto the upside, or is it going to pull back down to 28k and retest our next trade plan? We're also going to be talking about a DXY update, which is the dollar basket, the correlation with gold, and potentially what could indicate and drive the next price movement for Bitcoin using the dollar basket and gold, the trade we're waiting for, and then an answer on your Q&A. So one of you asked a great question on what my Fibonacci retracement levels are, and I'm going to give that in today's video, so make sure you stay tuned till the end. What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Dan Chung, aka Champ, 600k verified funded trader, just a verified prop trader. That's who I am, here bringing you daily crypto updates and price updates on the cryptocurrency market. So without further ado, let's get straight into it and start off with a overview and a recap. Right, so a overview and a recap of the current market is we can see from the 19th of June we had our leg onto the upside, which broke 26,000 and all the way up to 31,000. So over the past couple of weeks, all the way from 24th of June till now, the 10th of July, so like 3 weeks on, it has been ranging between 31k and 30k. And what that is ultimately telling us is that price is failing to break and it's building momentum for a large push. Normally price, I know this sounds silly, I know some of you may be not happy with the answer, but that's how the markets work. They either go up, down, or sideways. I don't know what else you want to expect. As a trader, all we do is we analyze the information that's given to us, plan our trade our plan, lose money or make money, but the goal is over a period of time to be profitable, hence making money in the long run. So on that, currently we're consolidating, sitting sideways. And if we're sitting sideways, what that normally does is it's generating momentum and building more of a coil effect for price to spike up or spike down. Now, if I had to choose, and one of the main trades we've been talking about on this channel is this trade right here, which is a retest on 28,316 and a push all the way up to $35,000 or even 37. So I think 37k is going to be the next price target, but if I was to have a take profit, it will be at 35,000 because, you know, there's a higher probability to hit that. There's some resistance there as well. It's also the 38.2% Fibonacci target level, and ultimately that's more than enough money to take off the table if it hits take profit. So we'll dive into the next trade ideas in a little bit more detail in a moment. Let's first go on to DXY and gold, because this is going to add to the story and build to the idea of why I am bullish on Bitcoin. So currently we have DXY. So DXY is known as the dollar basket, which is basically the indication of the dollar on its own. Now, an overview of this is we can see we had our consolidation, we had a pullback, failed to push through and had a triple top, pulled all the way down to 102, which is this key level here. $102, it bounces 1, 2, and 3 times and now on a trend line. And then we did a double top and then dropped with NFP. So NFP was non-farm payroll, which is the unemployment rate, which was released on Friday, showing the signs of a bearish dollar overall. So now if this shows that the dollar is bearish, that means gold must have pushed up, and it did. And why did gold push up? Because XAU versus USD. So if the dollar is weak, gold is stronger. Bitcoin, dollar. If the dollar is weak, shouldn't Bitcoin go up? So that's why I'm saying that the correlation of Bitcoin has a potential good opportunity to push up onto the upside because the dollar is weak. And if we can see the dollar break this support and break this key level, we can see this come all the way down to 100.825. And if it goes down to 108.25, it can come even lower on the long run and potentially retest the $97 mark, which is pretty low for the year, because, you know, it's had a push onto the upside, it's pulled all the way back, retraced, it could push higher, but we've got to wait and see. From the market and the weekly outlook, you know, dollar basket does look like it can come higher, but in the daily structure, it does look like it can come lower. So we just got to wait and see which analysis prevails. So I just want to quickly mention, as we are a trading channel and we're waiting for these trades, if you do want to trade, or even if you're already trading, I think this is mainly for you guys, right? There is a $15,000 Bitget competition for you guys as a prize pool. So top prize is $4,000. If you're trading already, then why not enter, right? You get up to $40,000 worth of bonuses and a 20% discount on your trading fees, only with us here at Coin Bureau Trading and Coin Bureau. So go check the link in the description, join us, and I'll be looking forward to see who wins and comes up on top price this time round. Let's get back to the video. So if we take that onto Bitcoin, and this goes on to the next trade idea section, is that if we come onto this first trade idea that we had is a 28,300 or the 28,400 is a 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. So if you haven't seen, go check out our Fibonacci retracement level video, and what that says, it indicates is that it's number one, a key level, number two, a bounce on this, and then if we bounce on this, we have a high opportunity to take out the highs and make new highs, and also price will be at a much better area and a better price action because we've had a huge leg up, slight pullback, and then a continuation. But saying that, one of the things I realized over the weekend is there is another key level that I hand draw right now, which is at 29,635. Now, what this level is this was a retest on the 27th of April 1, 2, and 3 times before it melted down and made a little bit of a pullback. From there, this ended up being a support 1, 2, and now 3. The third test is right now. And potentially, if that does happen, this could break onto the upside at 31k. And then we have another trade idea, which is push up above, retest this key level from a resistance to a support, and then up to the 35k again. So you can see both trade ideas, I'm looking at 37k and 35k, but the whole idea is that I'm just looking where's my entry, where's the take profit, which is the right risk to reward, and where to take it from there. So that is the key levels, DXY versus gold, and also my next trade ideas. Let's quickly go on to a question that someone has asked here. So here we have from Simon Champion 9206, been using Fibonacci retracement for a while now. Interested to know what your settings are. I use 0.68 and 0.65, which is a golden pocket for you. Now remember, one thing is trading is very subjective. It's what works for you and what you can see and identify very easily. Now here are all my key levels. I'm happy to share this completely for free for you guys as it's Coin Bureau trading. So we have 38.2 minus 38.2, which is also a kind of like a target level. Then we have 23.6, 50%, and 61.8, and then some extra like target levels as well to show price. So mainly, if you want to know how I use these, or if you want to know how these trades work, the link is in the description to go check out the Fibonacci retracement video, or plug it here, ding, this card. So you can go and learn a little bit more about Fibonacci retracement levels. So we have some more exciting videos coming through. I'm going to be doing a little series with Guy, teaching him how to trade, so at least it's from A to Z, because he knows nothing about trading. So for you guys, for who are beginner or even intermediate, that will be a very interesting series coming up in the near future. And if you want to stay up to date with the crypto markets, remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button to tune in every single day from Monday to Friday for our crypto video updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.